In front of me is the OPPO A73, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So to get started, let's tap on the settings, and from here you can already see fingerprint face and passcode. Let's tap on that and then choose add fingerprint. And here, before we can actually add a fingerprint, we'll have to have another way of unlocking the device. So by default it slams you with the PIN, which is a 4-digit one, but you can tap on other encryptions and either choose custom alphabet code, which is just a fancy way of saying password, or pattern, which that's what I'm gonna go with. So let's just do the pattern, then redraw the same pattern once more to confirm it, and boom, we're done with setting up the pattern. So now let's just start tapping away on the fingerprint sensor that is located on the back. Now I'm just gonna do it really quickly, like that. To save on time. Apparently I wasn't doing this too well. There we go. I think now it's done. But once you're adding a fingerprint, you want to get a fairly good read of your entire finger, not like me, which is just a literal middle of it, slammed 10 times in a row. There we go. And then from here you can basically tap on the sensor to unlock the device, or well, you will have to use a pattern if you're not planning to use the sensor. So that is how you would add a fingerprint, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.